I would just go like this and then look at the camera, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then if I need to go direct, I just look down like this.
You can pull the style out.
And that was why these holes are a little bit bigger than
Right.
I mean,
You feel like that's pretty good?
yeah, it's not tipping back, it's not going forward. Like I have to actually lift it up to move it. So this box has more maneuverability, has better access for additional help if you need it, and the negative pressure suctioning to allow escape of the droplets, I think, is a key.
What about, you think the setup with the putting the arm boards?
Yes, I think with the arm boards, it becomes, very stable. It's not moving around too much. I mean, I can definitely do stuff and it's hardly moving at all with all this movement.
So I'm here to show you how to set up a negative airflow to create a negative airflow inside the airway containment system. So all you need is two bacteria filter, and a corrugated tubing. It comes in white or blue, so we do have both. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So the bacteria filter fit in one end and it slide into this suction hole right here. We do have on both sides, doesn't matter which side, depending on how your bed's set up in that room. So you always set up to where it's the closest to your suction. And your suction over here, that's pretty standard setup for the nursing, right? But the only thing is we're not gonna use the two port that we normally use. We're gonna use the big port. So open up the cap. We're gonna need a filter. Here's the filter. We connect it to the other end of the corrugated tubing, and it goes straight into this big port right here. There we go. Okay. And intermittent and continuous suction, you always want to select continuously. Turn your vacuum all the way to the max until you can't turn it no more, and you're good to go. So if you do have droplet aerosol is in this here, it's pretty much going to get sucked into this filter.